So I've compiled a list of at least 20 items that are nearly impossible to get with EBT SNAP benefits at grocery stores right now, and I want to make sure that the community is aware of what's going on here. Shortages are becoming one of the most immediate concerns for consumers all across the nation, and the rate of products going out of stock has continued to grow throughout the entire year. But a number of factors is actually making food and other supplies even tighter in supply during this final stretch of 2022, going into the winter and into the holiday season. So, families who depend on Social Security, fixed income, EBT, SNAP EBT, you need to prepare, guys. Also, we're going to discuss new summer P-EBT payments for the month of December and SNAP emergency allotments for the months of November and December as well. 5 states have already approved. Lots to share with you guys in today's video. Grocery shortages are becoming one of the most immediate concerns for P-EBT and for SNAP benefit recipients all across the nation. And the rate of product stockouts has literally continued to grow throughout this entire year, but a confluence of factors is making supplies even tighter. They're driving up prices for P-EBT and for SNAP benefit recipients during this final stretch of 2022. Food manufacturers, they're dealing with a wide variety of pressures to ramp up production to be able to meet this growing demand. But a lot of these producers, they're facing challenges that don't allow them to be able to do so on such short notice, unfortunately. Also, aluminum availability is still a major concern, and it may be more difficult to find these canned goods, canned foods, ready-to-eat items on the store shelves, not necessarily because of food shortages, but because of a lack of aluminum to package the food into. And this comes according to Oklahoma State University food economist Rodney Holcomb. Now, since the first quarter of 2021, a global shortage of aluminum has been impacting the United States manufacturing sector and resulting in a reduced supply of products like tomato paste, canned goods, vegetables, teas, and soda. Now, the canned goods that you may find still in the stores are likely to be a lot more expensive, making it a lot harder to get your hands on if you're on SNAP, EBT, and the like. Aluminum prices have also been increasing considerably over the course of this year, increasing over 40% since January and almost 9% in the past month. Jason Lusk, who is a distinguished professor at Purdue University, he indicated that the lack of availability or a lack of available aluminum will drive up the price for food. So a lot of people are wondering, why is food becoming more and more expensive, specifically canned goods? And this is what is happening. And this is why some of the best and cheapest options to buy are, they're glass jar items, sturdy lids, and you can do some form of canning and food preservation yourself at home if you're not able to get your hands on aluminum packaged foods. But I want to share with you guys 20 items that are nearly impossible to get your hands on with EBT and SNAP benefits at grocery stores right now. So olive oil, avocados, water bottles, medications, juice boxes, soft drinks, canned goods, liquor, soup, paper towels, pet food, chickpeas, pasta, frozen pizza, baby formula, butter, pumpkin, liquid hand soap, sriracha, and frozen vegetables. Now, I do want to share with you guys the new summer P-EBT new summer P-EBT as well as December and SNAP November and December updates. So we're going to go over the new summer P-EBT in December as well as the SNAP benefit allotment updates for November as well as December. Texas finally, right? So Texas HHSC announced summer P-EBT that is coming soon. More details later in this video. I've got a list of states that I want to share with you guys that are sending up to $391 in P-EBT benefits in December. You've got SNAP for November emergency allotments, November and December payouts, Cannot wait to share this information, this news with you guys. So, Governor Greg Abbott recently announced that the Texas Health and Human Services Commission, the HHSC, has recently received approval from the United States Department of Agriculture for a fifth round of the Federal Pandemic Electronic Benefit Program, also known as P-EBT, and food benefits for Texas families with children will temporarily have lost access to federally funded summer meal programs due to C-19. Now, keep in mind that P-EBT is a joint effort of the HHSC, the Texas Department of Agriculture, as well as the Texas Education Agency. Now, in this round, covering June through August, P-EBT provides a one-time benefit of $391 per eligible child and can be used in the same way as Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, also known as SNAP, food benefits to pay for groceries. Texas Health and Human Services announced summer EBT. And so this is a huge, great big deal. It's helping out a lot of families. So now if you guys are getting value from these videos, definitely drop a like for the video if you haven't already. Consider subscribing to the channel. Also share this video with family members who need this information. And I personally consider you guys family. A lot of you guys, I see you in the comments each and every single day. So as far as I'm concerned, we're family. So eligible children will receive a one-time benefit of $391, which covers June 1st, 2022 through August 30th of 2022. According to the timeline shared in this video by the Texas Education Agency channel, week of November 14th, so we just passed it, summer P-EBT press release and the website launched. So this is very good information. If you haven't received $391, you're probably going to receive it in the next 24 to 48 hours, more than likely, based on when they've sent it out. And so, the question is, when and how will I get my summer P-EBT funds? Well, that's a very good question. So if your household currently receives SNAP or you previously received P-EBT, they're going to put the benefits on your existing Lone Star card or your P-EBT card starting in November if the information provided by the schools and the school districts matches the information that they have. Now, if the information is different, they will likely send you a brand new P-EBT card in the mail. So definitely hit your mailbox, check your mailboxes, and make sure that when you do get it, you're the first to be able to receive it rather than some scammer. Now, if you currently do not receive SNAP and you have not received your P-EBT benefits before, then they're going to more likely send you a notice, and that notice is going to come in the mail with a claim code starting at the sometime during the month of November. So keep your eye out for that. Also, you can use this code to be able to claim your child's P-EBT benefits by going to yourtexasbenefits.com or, of course, calling the P-EBT call center phone number. I'll do my best to remember to leave that phone number for you guys in the description down below of this video. Also, if you need up to $5,000 fast, make sure to hit the link in the description down below. That should help out some families as well if you are in a pinch and need up to $5,000. In addition, child care aged children under the age of 6 born after August 1st, 2015, who receive SNAP food benefits at any given point in time between June 2022 and August of 2022 will automatically receive summer P-EBT benefits on their Lone Star card starting in December. Another one to keep a very close watch out for. And if you receive a claim code in the mail for your P-EBT benefits, make sure to log in online. You can go to Texas or yourtexasbenefits.com. Of course, if you have your account, you can enter your username and password. Watch out for scammers. Watch out for scammers. People are getting desperate these days. Do not leave your password, your username available to anyone, right? Now, moving on, let's talk about the expected $391 summer P-EBT payments in November and December, right? So we got California. California continues from November through December K-12, or I should say K through 12, one payment. Texas, end of November through December, U6 through K-12, that's going to be one payment. You've got Colorado, middle of December. Keep an eye out for that one. One payment. Georgia's getting one payment also for December. Nebraska's getting one payment for December. Oregon, they're getting a payment in January of 2023. Definitely keep an eye out for that one. California is handing out the cash, guys. So California is handing out P-EBT 3.0 in October and November. Children under the age of 6 years old. So children California is expected to finish sending all of the benefits for summer P-EBT and P-EBT 3.0 during the month of November. So we have about another 9 days left to the month of November. Keep an eye out for that. P-EBT 3.0 cards are being reloaded in November for benefit months January through August 2022 for existing cardholders. New P-EBT 3.0 cards will be mailed out to any young children, or more likely the parents of the children. The children aren't checking the mail, right? So new P-EBT 3.0 cards will be mailed to any young children that are only eligible for the benefit months January through August of 2022 in November. All right. Now, California P-EBT 3.0 November, December, school-age children. Eligible school-age children K through 12, we're talking California will begin mailing the P-EBT cards for school-age children in November for benefit months August through December of 2021. The cards will be reloaded in December of 2022 for benefit months January through August of 2022 for existing cardholders. Brand new P-EBT 3.0 cards will be mailed out to any school-age children that are now eligible for benefit months January through August 2022 and December of 2022. P-EBT 3.0 cards will be mailed in alphabetical order based on first name. Normally, if your last name starts with Y, like me, then you get screwed because you're always last. But in this case, they're going by first name, so maybe you have a chance of getting yours sooner. So question is, what the heck is happening in New York, right? Let's talk P-EBT benefits for New York, right? So New York families are starting to receive payments of $132 this month in their existing existing EBT cards. However, it seems like this is actually coming for children under the age of 6 for the school year 2020 through 2021. So keep an eye out for $132 payments this month. All right. Now, the good news is that back in August, New York was approved to provide benefits for the school year 2021 and 2022 for children under the age of 6. However, the details about when the state is actually going to be sending these benefits remain unknown. So it's coming, but we don't know exactly when yet. 2022 summer P-EBT benefits was also approved in August for children under the age of 6 years old, and the state will send a standard benefit of $391 to all eligible children. Definitely keep an eye out for that. However, the state did not yet provide an exact date on the P-EBT website about when they're going to be planning these said benefits. But I think they're coming. We don't have an exact date yet. But states with an approved emergency allotment will continue to get extra monthly emergency payments through February of 2023. So this is very, very good news. And so the extra payment will bring households that are only eligible for a partial benefit up to the new maximum benefit amount for their household size. So if you've got a household size of one person, that's $281. Household size of 2, that's $516. Household size of 3, that is $740. Household size of 4, that is $939. And a household size of 5 is $1,116. So definitely keep an eye out for these new amounts hitting bank accounts and hitting EBT cards. Households that are already eligible for the maximum benefit amount will receive an extra $95 per month. So there's kind of like passive income almost. Now, households that are close to the maximum, less than $95 away, will be guaranteed emergency allotments of $95 per household. So be sure to keep an eye out for this, guys. SNAP emergency allotments for October, November payout dates. We're looking at California for November the 19th and November the 26th. Kansas, November 21st through November 30th. Minnesota, November 8th through November 30th. Colorado, November 5th through November 11th. Connecticut, November 16th. Delaware, November 22nd. DC, regular insurance or issuance schedule. Illinois, you've got November 21st through the 29th of November. Louisiana, November 5th, 12th, 19th, and December 3rd. Maryland, November 4th and November 23rd. Michigan, November 12th through November 21st. New Hampshire, November 3rd, November 18th. New Jersey, November 1st through November 5th. New York. New York is November 14th through the 28th, as well as November 8th through the 23rd. New Mexico, November 1st through the 30th. North Carolina, November 22nd through the 31st. Ohio, November 21st through the 22nd. Oklahoma, November 10th through the 15th. Oregon, November 10th, November 29th, as well as December the 1st. Pennsylvania, November 16th through the 30th. South Carolina, November 1st through the 19th. Texas, November 3rd through the 10th. Utah, November 26th. Virginia, November 16th. Washington, November 1st through November 20th. West Virginia, November 2nd, and Wisconsin, November the 19th. So, hey, I just wanted to make sure I share this important information with you guys. Make sure you share this video with your friends and your loved ones, but also keep a very close watch on the 20 items that are becoming nearly impossible to get with SNAP and EBT benefits at grocery stores right now due to shortages becoming one of the most immediate concerns for consumers all across the nation. So, keep in mind, the rate of product stockouts has continued to grow throughout this entire year. And so, if you're on a fixed income, Social Security, SSI, SSDI, P-EBT recipients, SNAP benefits, keep a close watch on these items that are going to be very, very difficult to find, and more importantly, very difficult to pay for with P-EBT and SNAP benefits. But I hope this information meets you well. My thoughts and prayers to all the families out there. Y'all be safe.